Hello lovely people. Today we're going to talk about power adapters. Everybody has them in your home or at your office. If you're cutting cables, scrapping cables, power adapters are everywhere. I hate them and love them at the same time. I hate them because they have very low value and you cannot throw them between your scrap or something. And I love them because it's very good to clean your head when you're having a bad day or somebody's not nice to you. So I'm going to let you see how to upgrade the value of your power adapters easy and fast. So these are a couple of power adapters that I get from, I don't know, laptops, RC cars, everything from children, everything. And as this is, there is like 80 cents a kilogram of value. So this is very low. And I just want to let you see how easy it is to upgrade this kind of things in more money. So let's start with this one because this one has some screws in it. Normally they don't. This time they have. And there it is. As is, you can just throw this away. As is, this is an electric motor. It's 50 cents a kilogram. In this time I think you can better get this copper out because it's a nice one. And I will let you see the next one. It's small. This one are brass. Just cut them off. And there is your first value increase. And this is why it's very therapeutic. Because you can just smash everything. If you have a bad day, somebody's not nice to you. And there it is. 19 cents a kilogram. So you go from 18 cents to 19 cents a kilogram. And this is just scrap. It's weighing nothing. So it's just an easy upgrade of your adapters, scrap, and nobody will whine about this. Oh, I love this. This is the loving part. So, easy upgrade, 90 cents a kilogram. You can take this off, you can get this wall off, you can take the aluminum off, that's no problem as well, just easy peasy. This is your MOSFET, that is copper inside as well. Keep the MOSFET. Almost clean aluminum. Again, easy upgrade. €1 a kilogram. 90 cents a kilogram. Throw this away. Don't think, oh, I just have to be like, oh no, don't hit it or something. It's dangerous. No, it's not. Just get it off. Some plugs. And here you got a full aluminum package around this. Again, €1 kilograms at this moment. Just get it off. This one is a little bit stuck with glue, no problem. That's more. More. See, it's all worth more. Everything that you get off, worth more. So you can look for yourself how far you want to go. I normally get the copper, only get the copper because it's a large value increase. I know it will get it. Will it get it? No. So go how far you want to go. This moment, €1.90. Get your copper for sure. Get your copper. Copper is worth a lot. You know, so always get your copper, ladies and gentlemen. Always get your copper. Again, this one. Cut the pins. That's brass. Get your hammer. Hammer time. Throw this away. And there's your upgrade. Again, aluminum, some copper in here. It's a little, you know, but there is some copper in there. So in a short time you have some aluminum. You got this one. For sure, get the copper out of this one because this is a lot. It's worth it. It's worth your time, and it's fun. Don't forget, micro scrapping is fun. And 90 cents a kilogram. Or what you can do, take the aluminum. I don't take the aluminum because it's only 5 cents more than the prints. I will get the copper because copper is €7 a kilogram. So just wake it off. It's very easy. Or get some grip and it's off. Again, here another one and it's off. It's very easy. I don't take this off because there's a lot of glue and a lot of tape in this, so this is a lot of work and not as much copper. So this will go for 90 cents a kilogram. Here I see a nice spool of copper. Just break it. There's no value increase if you keep your boards nice or something. Do you see? This is a nice one. So take this one. Just put it like this. This. Throw it in your bucket of boards. That's just what I do. Everybody do something else, but I love to do things quick, easy. Throw in your aluminum. And this is what I micro scrap. So I hope you love this video. You get something more out of your stuff. And I see you next time.